Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel of me unboxing some MFH figure arts. So today my first product will be FHF figure arts camera the Gaim Rose Attacker. I just bought it like 2 or 3 days ago from selling Facebook, who generously sell me for like just 100 ringgit, and this is new MISB, haven't been opened yet. So today I'm going to show you how it looks inside. So as you can see, it's a bit of dent of it, but never mind, it's okay, still new. So this how the product shots in the back of the box looks like. There's a motorcycle, there's Gaim, there's a Baron riding his motorcycle, Rose Attacker. It's like on the side, product shot, same photo in front, also same photo on the top, also same photo on the other side there, and on the bottom. So we can open it now. So take this, okay, put it with a knife so I won't damage the box whatsoever. It's pretty hot. Wait. Yep, got it. This remove, and there it is. That's the manual. So here show that you can detach the both handlebar and put down the what you call the staff or something, and this is a holder of the wheel of the motorcycle, and there's nothing in the back. So we'll put this away. Ding ding ding! So excited! I'm so excited! So excited! Let's remove. So there she is. Oh yeah. So apparently you have a spare, yeah, side mirror, both of them, in case if you broke them. Yeah. So you get 2 spare side mirrors and 2 spare handlebar. Yep, it's the same thing really, and that's the stand for the motorcycle. So put this away as well. So yeah, in the front you can see the shape of the rose, the thorn of the rose over there, very nice. More red color over there, and more rose petal over there. The reason red over there, and it's all green. And in the back over here there's a bit of gold. I like it very much. Back, no plate number. Okay, and the signal, it's all very realistic. So there's no go on this side. Oh, just over in the front. But let's go on the right side of the motorcycle. So the engine over there. Yeah, it's all turned smoothly. It's in the bottom, so I don't think you can stick any SHF 10, the pointy one down here, because I don't see any hole for it. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you like today's unboxing of mine. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.